Jonesy back again. Haven't been posting for a while, but just sitting out the back relaxing with my little buddy. And yeah, just been working around the garden, doing the Christmas lights and just basically relaxing a bit. It is, and the skies are blue. It's not hot, it's just nice. It's warm for us, it's not hot. Flowers are coming out. Hydrangeas are looking good. The daisies are being attacked by the wallabies, which is unfortunate. But they're still across the front of the yard there. The old palm trees don't like the cooler weather. They're dying back. But yeah, life's pretty good. And the purple tree is just starting to come out again, so that's getting ready for autumn. That's the wonderful jacaranda. You can see if I come around this way, you can actually see the purple sort of flowers there getting ready to come out. And the carnations are flowering. That one there, the yellow one, which looks, whoop, that's the red one. That yellow one there, that got jumped on last night, the bloody wallabies. And that's feeding out. That's last year's palm tree that looked like these, died back. Hopefully it's hardened up and it's coming back, but yep, still here. Some bulbs coming up there in the corner. There's a rose, little rose in the lattice work there. Hopefully next year she will be up. But yep, been up there with the mower and done half of the hill. But up the back there we got a tree down and some more work to do the coming days. Hope everyone's fitting well. This is Radio Jonesy. Saying hello to all my friends, wherever you are in the world. Yeah, sitting out the back. Blue skies, sun shining. Charlie perfume of the flowers. He's watering the trees as well. Sorry for that. Good on you, Charlie. He loves the smell of the sea berries coming up. And the people out the front. If he was inside the house, he would have been barking his head off. Because he's out the back. It's just, whoop. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to check in and say hi to everyone. Hope everyone has a beautiful Christmas and everything is well for everybody. So from the Jones family, Merry Christmas, peeps. Have a good one.